Hello friends, I am here with this book of M.L.Agrawal for class 11 CBSE board for code number 241. We were dealing with the geometrical progression exercise 6.6, question number 8. Exercise 6.6, question number 8. Book is from book of M.L.Agrawal. Class 11th, code 241. This is especially for those who are using this book in class 11th, but also useful for all the students that belongs to UP board or CBSE. Okay, because this question is in the course of all the students of class 11. Now I am going to start the question, that is question number, this is 6.646 and question number 8 of this book. Question is, if G is the geometrical mean between A and B, there are two digits in between, the G is the geometrical mean. Then show that what is to be showed, that 1 upon G plus A plus 1 upon G plus B, that will be equal to 1 upon G. This is the question. We know the definition of geometrical mean. Geometrical mean means what? The root of the product of the two numbers is known as the geometrical mean of these two numbers. We have given A and B, two numbers. The root of the multiple of these will be G. With the help of this formula, which should be known to you, we have to prove this. Now, we have to bring first of all G plus A and G plus B, and then first of all we find the value of G plus A and G plus B, reverse it and add as per the left hand side of this equation. Now, starting solution. What is the solution? We know that G is given equal to root of AB. Okay, it means G plus A, this will be equal to root of AB plus A. It means 1 upon G plus A, this will be reverse of the same, that A plus AB plus A. Same is the case of the second. If we are using G is equal to AB, we have to bring this, so that we have to add B on both the sides. This will be root of AB plus B. Reverse both the sides. This will be equal to 1 upon root of AB plus B. Now in this we have to add. Adding this is number 1 and this is number 2. Adding these two. Adding 1 plus 2. We'll get in left hand side what? 1 upon G plus A plus 1 upon G plus B. That will be, by virtue, right hand side will become, it will be 1 upon root of AB plus A plus 1 upon root of AB plus B. Correct? This is to be equal to this. This is to be proved. We have to deal with this. Now what we have to do? Here this is under root AB. This can be written as root A into root A. Similarly, this can be written as root B, so that in first term we can take root of A as a common. So inside the bracket, in the denominator of the first term, it will be B, root B plus root of a. Correct? Root of a. Similarly, it can be written as root b into root b, and root b can be taken common in the second term in denominator. Root b can be taken as a common. So that inside the bracket of the denominator of the second term, we will get here what? Root of a plus root of b further. Okay. Now in both, this can be taken as a common. Again, out of the bracket, this can be written root of b plus root of a as a common. Inside the bracket, what we will get? 1 upon root a plus 1 upon root b. Okay? Bracket close. Taking LCM, then root of a plus b will become common here. Taking what? 1 upon root of b plus 1 upon root of b plus root of a into what would be inside the bracket if we take root of ab as the LCM. Root of a, root of b is LCM. Root of b plus root of a. Isn't this perfect? Now this is just equal to this will get cancelled, and our left hand side will be equal to simply equal to 1 upon root of a root of b. That is nothing but equal to g. It is equal to 1 upon g. It means left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Hence what we have to prove? That this will be equal to this. Okay? Correct? Proved. This is a question containing at least 2 or 3 marks in both. So it is very important to all of the students which are studying in class 11. Thanks for watching my video, and please do stay with me and don't forget to give me like and subscriptions, and keep in touch with me always. I will bring you different type of the varieties of the questions on my channel. Varieties of questions are available on different topics, especially trigonometry is very good on my video. You can search it, you can learn it, and competitions you can join the competitive questions also. So many lists are there. So please, thanks for watching, and further thanking you. Thank you again. Thank you. Good night, good luck.